Central Coast Land Cruisers presents the 8th annual Turf and Surf, November 1st through the 3rd, 2019, located in Pismo, California. Organized by PismoJim Brantley, we joined to celebrate with Land Cruisers, 4Runners, and all types of sick Toyota trucks. It was a fun-filled weekend. We enjoyed wheeling the sand dunes in perfect weather during the day and met and socialized with other Toyota enthusiasts over good food and craft beer at night. Turf and Surf at the Oceano Dunes is truly an epic Toyota beach party. Organized events included a dune jump, meet and greets, Saturday night lighted cruiser parade, and a high noon poker run that made this off-road event fun for the whole family.
Poker run is a series of checkpoints out in the dunes. Everybody gets their scorecard, runs around the checkpoints, and then they'll end up pulling a card. Highest hand wins and lowest hand wins. Just split the pot. Last year, winners took home $300 apiece.
Nice.
Nice.
Cool, man.
Right on.
Thanks, you guys.
Look at all these. Like $10, $20, man. Just $1 real.
So you won?
Oh yeah.
Somebody should.
Congrats, dude.
$2.95, man. Yeah, hell yeah. That's good. Thank you.
One, 2, 3, 4. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Let's go tour some Yodas, guys. Yoda! stuff riding on 40s.
Whoa.
Dang, that's sweet.
I want 5-speed.
Do you have a turbo in there?
Nice, man. And a turbo. With an intercooler.
It's a big one.
We put bigger injectors in there.
How does it feel?
No, but it makes a lot of. We don't put it in big gear. There's too many people. Nice one. It rides good. Well, we did some conversion in the front, so yesterday,
What are all these components? Like, where did you pull these off?
before yesterday, we went to picking pole, and we found this
Off of what?
off of a Ford. I don't know,
Like
some
an old F-350 or something?
Yeah, some old piece of shit Ford, but it measured out right, you know.
Yeah.
We put the mounts on, but it had to be somewhere.
Well, what about the axle? Where did you get that?
Well, that's a Dana 60. Full floater in the back. No, we just got to get deals on old trucks and buy them, and then take
And
the
then
parts that you need and sell
muddy
the
parts
rest of
off.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of those old Dodge trucks that had all the chrome trim on the sides. And stuff.
Yeah. That's legit.
Yeah, we got lots of Toyota engines laying around the place.
What's this asset? The leaf springs.
Yeah, because we kept having to, if you look in there, you'll see there's an adjustment wedge. See that little aluminum 6-degree bar there? Right there?
Yeah.
It's to keep the axle where it's supposed to be.
I see.
Because when you move, the pad has to be sitting flat so you can attach the spring to it. When you move the
So
spring
those are
back,
custom-made little wedges in there.
yeah.
That's cool.
We got to put coilovers on it because we go to the hammer. It was okay until we put the intercooler on it.
Right.
Now you got nowhere to,
I got it, yeah.
Right.
That makes sense.
because it circulates over and comes back in.
Yeah. Nice.
You take that thing out of the garage? He goes, what?
It looks pretty clean.
I said, now this will explain it.
It
I
is
go, where you
really
from? And he goes, Hollywood. And I went, That explains it all in one word, right?
Nice.
Surveillance truck? Yeah.
Surveillance
gun
truck,
truck?
yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's a gun truck. That's cool. You take the good parts off of it. Right. Leave what's left. Yeah. Bet they're a Suzu powered turbo diesel. Suzu powered.
Weekend on the gear.
Yeah. Yeah, the sliders just got put on. It's a lot of custom metal work there. It's nice.
Yeah, this is
really nice.
dope, guys. This is dope.
It's a dude bait for sure. I know. For a fact. I mean, it's got three.
English work truck.
Did it cost more to buy them or to ship them?
Okay.
Later, bought it for $500.
Hey, dude, the
All I
body
did
on
was-
this is better than the body on mine.
It's better than the body on mine. All I did was I put some seats and I threw my blankets and stuff in there, but
That's awesome.
still haven't
That's
done much with it. But
it's a good platform.
yeah,
For sure. I haven't seen that before. They charge you $5 and it pictures.
yeah.
If you blow up your differential,
So our plan is to do it, match the gear ratio that we have. Yeah. That way we can have it.
Spares in case it breaks down,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah, my buddy did a little. I used to have a just a pickup with a little camper on it, which that's what I wanted to do.
You don't
So
wanna lose your gas.
yeah. So I sold it to my buddy, and he got off like a industrial camper with drawers and everything.
Hey, put an extra gas can in there. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Yeah. Just siphon it out wherever you need it.
What I wanted to do was water.
Yeah, there you go. That's a good idea.
Got the room. Yeah, they can just do a little outside shower or something over there.
Knowing him, he's gonna put a beer spigot there.
Yeah. That's another idea.
Back there.
Yeah.
That's my secret.
You'll have to get your tongue in the room with all-
Everybody's like, why are they drinking all this gas? He's siphoning the gas.
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me about this. Like, where did you come up with this?
That is a fairing. So this is a rack from Dirty Bird. He's on Instagram. He makes these. I was driving from where he resides to my house, and this thing has terrible wind noise. So
Right.
I just got this cardboard from my brand new washer.
Yeah.
And cut it up and put 400, and it does a really good job of blocking the wind.
Dude, that's
Ignore
legit.
them. I have a real fairing coming though. Don't worry.
Okay, that's cool, man. So we got zip ties and duct tape. I mean, the two things
yeah,
that.
it works great, even in the dew and all that.
Dude, yeah.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Appreciate it, man. Thank
so
you.
awesome,
Some people
man.
hate it, you know, like
Dude.
that guy right there.
All right, guys, enjoy Pismo.
Yeah.
Forerunner for life.